Yes.
So now I will actually we are discussing for web HTTP HTML protocol, right? And as same to we have the one more protocol will be there, web services protocol. So web services protocol means this is not a web application. Web services protocol means as a developer, he will develop for the different type of platforms like cross-platform applications, .NET along with the Java and Hadoop, and they will mix different technologies and they developed as a one script. For that point of view, we can record using for the our web HTTP HTML protocol. We can't do for the this testing because they don't have any UI. UI nothing but they don't have any web URL to access that application. So because they are developing different applications, right? That is why they're not developed for the web application. So that is why we are using for the some XML files and some JSON files. Using that, they are developed for the some web services calls. So that is point of view we can do for the performance testing means we need to add the new script. Already we know, right? Add new script, and after that, every time we are selecting for the web HTTP HTML. So now we need to select for the web services protocol. So web services, this is the web service protocol, and you need to give for the script name. Like we are doing for the, I am doing for the some web service underscore add sub and div. Okay, and underscore means addition, subtraction, and division. And I'm giving for the like date of the today 02/08/2022 and click on create button. See, you can observe I selected now web services protocol. Click on create button. See, it is the created. Now we need to do for the web service testing means see I will go there and see, for example, this is the WSDL file. So WSDL file nothing but they are developed for the developer. This is the one web application point of view because they are we need to develop for the different scripts. We don't have UI type. So once you can imported this, we are able to see the some calculation methods like addition, division, and multiplication, subtraction. Also, we are able to see this. So we need to do for the one by one means we can see after that using for the you guys need to install for the SOAP request also. Then you need to once import that one. I will show you in our point of view. Like once you can import it, right? Now you can go to the this is the SOAP SOA tool. So you can go to there and manage service is there. You can click on manage service and here you want to import means you can click on import. For here we need to give for the URL. URL nothing but see, for example, you can go there. So we'll get from this URL from the developer, we will get for them. And after this is the URL. See, this is the URL. http://online.com calculator ASM WSDL file. The last is there, right? WSDL, WSDL means that is the web services description language. What is the WSDL means? Web services description language. So now you can copy this and go to the our tool and you can copy and paste it here. Okay, see, just URL only we need to check. See, service WSDL form means we are enter for the WSDL this one. Now you can click on the import. Very simple. Okay. See, once you can import it, you are able to see the service name is a calculator. Okay, this is the WSDL, and we are able to see the operations. So you can click on these operations. You are able to see the what are the operations will be there. We are able to see addition, division, multiplication, subtractions will be there. So means you need to using this you need to do for the testing. So now it is import is completed. You can go to the import again. No need to do again. So Just you can go to the description and these are the operations. Now we need to do for the scripting means after that you need to just click on for the apply and okay. Now again go to the SOA tool and click on add service call. So now you can observe I added already. That is why it is came for here calculator. If you not added, it will not come. And you can observe this is the port name will be soap request. You have the soap is red and add, operations will be there. For example, you want to do for the operation addition means you can select add. You are doing for the division means you can divide. Means you can select anything is fine. But now I am selecting for the addition and after that you can click on in it and you can click on this and you need to give for the name of the value means into a value I'm giving for the 6. See into a is equal 6 because we need to add the addition means we need some variables, right? A b without two values we can't add, right? So that is why using this we are adding. So I'm clicking again and click on I'm giving for the number is the 5 and now you can observe in arguments I added this and included arguments and I added everything. So you can observe this and if you want add results means you can click on this means we want to results add for this results will be saved into the param underscore add results means so for example for 6 plus 5 how much
11.
10 or 11 11 right. So this 11 value it will store in the param underscore add results. So once you can complete this, so you can click on OK. Just I'm not done anything. I selected operation and after that I given for the integer value b value and click on OK. See you are able to see the code will be generated. No need to write manual anything. See it is some web service call. It is happen. That is the step name will be addition. You are doing for the addition. That is why it is showing for the addition. And this is the method is the soap method. In that we are doing for the calculator. That is the addition. This is the response permit the response and service is the calculator services. And we are expected results will be sharing for the soap request. And you can observe here into A is equal 6 into B is equal to 5. And I'm saving for these results to the add results. Means see for example, you can go to the notepad. For example, we want to add addition. Addition means what we can do. Addition means we need some A is equal to some A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Means we need to add means some variable we need, right? Like for example, we are giving for the A plus B is equal to some value. So this is our API. Like web service call. So this value point of view, we are in saving this A plus B point of view, we are giving here. That is the add results. It will saying for the param add results, it will share. Now we'll execute. So if you want give for the start transaction and transaction means you can click on start transaction and give it as a name. Like we are doing for the addition, right? You can give for the calculator underscore add underscore T01. Okay. And you can copy same value. Okay. You can copy same value. And after that, last you need to enter for the end transaction. This is the end transaction because we need to measure this transaction, this API web service call, how much time taking means we need to give for the start and in timestamp also. So calculator add T01. So now you can execute. So before going runtime settings, I will check for the it is logs will be standard logs or external logs. Then I will start for the execution standard log. See it is a external logs unit every time will be parameter substitution we need. So now we'll execute. see your execution is your script will be passed. Now you can go to the output window, come to the starting onwards. See transaction calculator add started here, and saving parameter add, okay, 101 response. So it is this is the entire XML. See, it is some response we are getting. In that it is storing for the param add results is equal to 11. Is it correct or not?
Yes.
So means we need to add for the any one of the values, and you need to do for the web service testing like this. So maybe you want to for the parameterization, then you want to pass for the every time will be different values. Means what we can do, we can parameterization easily, we can do for the parameterization. Like you can select this and click on this
Click.
and replace with parameter and create new parameter, and I'm giving for the a value. Okay, and properties, and I'm adding for the okay, we'll add for the table. Okay, create table and click on okay, and by name I'm selecting for the value. Okay, if you want to add means you can add for the rows. So for here we can give for the values, you can pass randomly any value. Six. Okay, and click on okay. Okay, and again you want to do for the parameterization for this is also, you can replace with parameter, create new parameter and give it as a b value. Properties, and I am doing for the complex. Click on okay, and after that I am adding for the values. Okay, I'm selecting for the by name will be, I'm selecting b value, but here I'm selecting for the same line as a value because I am picking for the same line as same line. Now you can observe, click on this and click on okay, and no, and now you can execute for the multiple iteration. You can do it for the multiple iteration also. You can do it now. Logic, and you can go to the 4 times, and you can copy and save it and run. See now invalid column name, maybe some invalid column name scale means parameter value will be mismatch. B value is same line as A value, that is fine. And going to here, see you're not selected that A value, so that is why we are getting for the error. So now we'll execute. See 4 times it is executed. See now we can observe. We'll see the response time also, because see you can observe calculator 4 times executed, 841 milliseconds happen for this addition completed for the average of the 4 users. So now we can go to the output window and we can observe for the every iteration. See value A value will be 6 picked and 5, and total value will be 11. It is stored here. This is the first iteration time. And second iteration time you can observe 3 plus 4 and it came for 7. And next to go to there and see here. Here will be 5 plus 7, 12. You can observe here. Last this is the 6 plus 18, 24. Got it everyone? So like this we can do for the web service testing. For example, here only you can do for the multiple different okay. Then again what you can do, you can go to the again SOA tool and go to the add service call. And if you want, already we added addition. Now you want to add for the subtraction, you can click on this and again select for the AB and select this. Okay, and after that you can give pass it as a values. Okay, and if you want save results into the this place, you can give for the parameter name. If you want to like you want to write for your own means, we can write for the our own also. Like I'm giving for the we are doing subtraction, right? Subtract results. Okay, and click on okay. See, one more, it is added one more API. But you want for the some difference set, right? Because we need to give for the start and transaction. Sorry, end transaction. I give it. Calculator underscore sum underscore T02. Okay. And same thing I will copy into the there also. Control C. And control T02. Okay. So now again we'll execute. I want to execute only one time. Okay. Now you can execute and we'll observe the results. So you can observe I executed one time. It is addition one time. It is happen for the 1 second 174. Sub like calculator subtraction, it is happen 403 milliseconds. And if you want to see the results means we are able to go to here. And if you can check for the start and end transactions, see calculator started and see add results will be 11. Okay, and you can observe subtract results will be 1. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, otherwise I want for the multiple actions in the same year. No need to write for the year means like no need to do for the addition is a one action and subtraction is one action, multiple one action means what you can do means you can rename it. This is the addition, add. Okay, I'm giving addition. Okay, and after that you want to add for the some other one more action means you can click on the action right button, create new action and give it as a subtraction and click on okay. See, it is generated here. Now we can go to the here and already we added subtraction code, right? You can copy this and control X and you can go here and you can in between the code you can give for the control V. Okay, means we can add like this also, we can do it. Not only this application, maybe in web application also, if you want to create for the like you are doing for the flight booking. So you are doing for the flight booking means and you are doing for the flight booking and cancel also ticket booking. So you want for the different scenarios for this, then you need to create for the one is the create action will be flight booking, one is the cancel booking. So we can do for the our point of view, anything is fine. Now you can execute again and you are able to understand now again. See, now you can observe here. So this is the transaction response time and I will go to the output window. You can observe here starting iteration 1, 6 plus 5 is started and the results will be stored in 11. So you can observe here the ending action addition, starting action subtraction. Previous we don't find this thing because we are keep for the everything will be action. So that is why now you can observe starting action subtraction and so transaction is started. Transaction calculated subtraction T0 to started and after that is values result stored and it came for the 1. So because subtraction I am not done for the parameterization, that is why into A value into B value here is not displayed. You can do for the parameterization, you are able to see this. So they will give for the first thing will be you can go to the manage services and you can click on import and you need to give for the this WSDL file. I will copy in the chart window. Everyone copy in take it, copy and keep it in notepad as there. Okay, this is the web service call visual file. You can import this and click on import, and after that imported, you are able to see the calculator. And if you want, click on operations. What are the options we have? It will display all, and after that click on OK. And now if you want add for the each one will be different, you can click on add service call, and we can do it for the our own. We can try to do it. See operations what we have. Addition will be there, and division will be there, multiplication will be there. Got it, everyone? Hello.
Yes.
So like this we can do for the web service call. So they will give for the visual file. Then you need to take that file and you need to do for this way. One more way also will be there. For example, already I have. Yeah, if you want to starting before validating here, you want to validate this visual file means you can go to the SOAP request. Like I will show you. Okay, everyone can, that will be fine. Okay, we'll discuss later. This is the web service testing. So this is also important because we are showing for our resume web service and web HTTP HTML protocol. So that is why you guys should be know for these two protocols. If you good for these two, then it is a good for the, you are good for the loader and the testing point of. So we can go to close class and we'll meet for tomorrow, and everyone will practice and do for this addition, subtraction, and multiplication and division, 4 methods, and share results. Okay.
Single
And
thing
execute
at a
with
time.
this scenario with the 50 users in the controller. Same.
Single
Thank you for
at
joining.
a time 4.
Yes. Transaction you are giving, right? We'll get for the results in the transaction. In one script only. Okay. If you create actions are no problem, or if you are giving for the transaction in the one action also no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for joining. We'll meet for tomorrow. I will share the